Is your 2017-2019 Genesis G80 key fob not working reliably? A dead or dying CR20032 battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The 2017-2019 Genesis G80 key fob uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This specific battery type is essential for proper functionality. Here's a close-up view of the CR2032 battery, showing its metallic surface and markings. The battery provides 3 volts of power and is a lithium coin cell design, which offers reliable performance and long shelf life. These batteries are widely available at most electronic stores or online retailers. They typically cost between $2 and $3 each, making replacement an affordable maintenance task. You'll only need a couple of basic tools for replacing the key fob battery. A small flathead screwdriver can be used to gently open the key fob casing. A plastic pry tool is recommended instead to avoid scratching the fob surface. Have a soft cloth or gloves handy to keep the circuit board clean during the process. These simple tools will help you safely access and replace the battery in your key fob. Locate the small notch or seam on the key fob casing. This is where you'll insert your tool. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. The positive side, marked with a plus symbol, should face upward toward the circuit board to avoid damaging the electronics. Use a screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift and remove the old battery, taking care not to scratch the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. Ensure it sits securely in the compartment without forcing it. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Position them so the edges match perfectly before pressing together. Press the halves together firmly until they snap securely into place. You should hear or feel a click as they lock together. Check for gaps or loose areas. A proper seal is crucial to protect the internal components from moisture and ensure reliable operation. After reassembling the key fob, test all its functions. First, test remote start by pressing the button and checking if the engine starts. Next, test lock and unlock by pressing the buttons and listening for the confirmation sounds. Then, test trunk release by pressing the button and verifying the trunk opens. If any function doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the fob is properly closed. If problems persist, consider cleaning the battery contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the issue might be with the fob itself. Consider moisture damage, which is common in humid climates and can cause failures or a faulty circuit board that may have short-circuited. For persistent issues that can't be resolved at home, consult a qualified automotive technician who can diagnose deeper problems like electronic faults. Remember to dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly at a designated recycling location, as it's a lithium product that requires proper handling.